Dell XPS 15 OLED, all-powerful laptop for business professionals. Specifications. CPU, 11th Gen Intel Core i7, i9 graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti RAM, 16 GB, 64 GB screen, 15.6 OLED 3.5K, 3456 x 2160, Infinity Edge Touch Anti-Reflective 400 nit display storage, 512 GB, 8 TB M.2 PCIe NVMe. Reasons to buy. Plus the 3.5K OLED is an absolute dream. Plus great keyboard and trackpad. Plus lighter than its predecessor. Reasons to avoid. Battery life is surprisingly short. RTX 3050/3050 Ti are underwhelming. Whether you want comfort, style, or a powerhouse, the Dell XPS 15 OLED is more than up to the challenge. This gorgeous computer, which comes with an equally gorgeous 3.5K OLED display, can do it all. Thanks to its high-end internals including discrete NVIDIA graphics, it can handle just about any workload you can throw at it. And, though its shorter battery life might be an issue as a business laptop, its trackpad and keyboard are accurate and comfortable to use for long periods of time. And, like all premium portables from Dell's XPS line, it's dressed to impress. HP Elite Dragonfly G2. One of the smartest business laptops. Specifications. CPU, 11th generation Intel Core i3, i7 graphics, Intel Iris Xe graphics RAM, 8 GB, 32 GB screen, 13.3-inch diagonal bright view LED FHD, 400 nits, 13.3-inch diagonal bright view LED 4K UHD HDR 400 550 nits storage, up to 2 TB SSD. Reasons to buy. Plus comfortable keyboard. Plus excellent screen. Reasons to avoid. USB-C ports on only one side. The next generation HP Elite Dragonfly continues its line's tradition of being the most impressive business laptop inside and out. The HP Elite Dragonfly G2 doesn't just look and feel good with its smart design, 4K display, 2-in-1 form factor, and comfortable keyboard. It performs spectacularly as well, thanks to its 11th Gen Intel Core chips, Iris Xe graphics, and long battery life of more than 9 hours. As far as business laptops go, this is certainly the smartest route. Microsoft Surface Laptop 4. A great budget option for those who love Windows. Specifications. CPU, 11th generation Intel Core i5, i7/AMD Ryzen 5, 7 graphics, Intel Iris Xe/AMD Radeon RAM, 8 GB, 32 GB screen, 13.5-inch pixel sense, 2256 x 1504, touch storage, 256 GB, 1 TB SSD. Reasons to buy. Plus comfortable keyboard. Plus beautiful screen. Reasons to avoid. Not enough ports. Microsoft continues to impress us with its new Surface Laptop 4, which touts the kind of build quality and design that is absolutely top-notch. There are a few other things to love here. The gorgeous Pixel Sense touchscreen really sets it apart from the competition, and the brilliant keyboard that's a joy to type on. Of course, the specs are great as well, and that includes a battery life that lasts over 13 hours. If you're on a budget, don't worry, as the price is competitive as well. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga Gen 6. Best 2-in-1 laptop for business users. Specifications. CPU, 11th generation Intel Core i5, i7 graphics, Intel Xe Plus RAM, 8 GB, 16 GB screen, 14-inch, 1920 x 1200p, IPS touchscreen, 400 nit storage, 256 GB, 512 GB SSD. Reasons to buy. Plus fantastic 16:10 display. Plus excellent battery life, especially with its outstanding performance. Reasons to avoid. Rather plain design for the price. As far as business laptops go, very few are more powerful than the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga Gen 6, a 2-in-1 workhorse that delivers excellent battery life of up to 14 hours and a breathtaking 16:10 display to boot. If you're going to be working long hours, which pretty much comes with the territory, this is the laptop you'll want to be working in and staring at. Of course, being an ISO certified laptop targeted for business professionals, it boasts many security add-ons as well. And, we're sure all professionals will appreciate that SD card slot and garage stylus. Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch, 2021. Best for Apple fans. Specifications. CPU, Apple M1 Pro 8-core, M1 Max 10-core graphics, integrated 14-core, 32-core RAM, up to 64 GB screen, 14-inch Liquid Retina XDR display storage, up to 8 TB. Reasons to buy. Plus brilliant performance. Plus best screen on a laptop. Reasons to avoid. Screen may be a bit small for some. Apple's MacBook Pro line might have been traditionally better suited for creative professionals than business ones, but the Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch, 2021's arrival seems to change that. This new addition to the MacBook Pro family boasts breathtaking power and truly long battery life, something both creative and business pros need for their day-to-day. With the M1 Pro and M1 Max chips, it's sure to deliver the graphical prowess creatives need and the processing potential that business folks require. Ports abound as well, with Apple finally expanding from the usual USB-C only roster. The stunning XDR display with 1600 nits of peak brightness is just cherry on top. Don't forget to hit up the like button and to subscribe our channel.